Welcome back to our channels, guys. Yeah, it's about 10 to 5 in the morning. Wonder where we are. Comment below if you know where we are. I'll give you a clue. There you go, look. Hopefully the next train coming from that direction will be going straight through, and it should be number 222010. It's going straight through apparently. The train, which is due shortly, is classed as a diesel multiple unit from Etchings Park sidings to Leicester, comprising of 5 carriages. Shall we have a tour of the station while I'm waiting for the train to come through? I've got cold fingers now, need some new gloves, yeah. And here we've got a waiting room. Not open yet because it's too early. New set of stairs there. New stairs over there. New lift shaft over there. New bridge, but you can't see it, a bit dark in it. The train we're waiting for to go through is at Chesterfield, about 10 miles away. What's it say? 1 o'clock today. Oh, yeah. 8 minutes past 5 in the morning. Yep. We're all on summertime, be nice and warm, wouldn't it? There's only about 2 cars in the car park today. It's unusual. Is that a train? No, it's not a train, is it? Oh, I heard a train coming. That one was 2 minutes early, apparently. Off to Leicester. Don't forget to subscribe. It's getting cold now as well. Right. East Midlands train going to Sheffield. 417. Here we got 195012 from Leeds to Nottingham.
Platform 1 for the 0845 Northern Service to Leeds via Barnsley. Calling at Chesterfield, Drumfield, Sheffield, Meadowhall, Barnsley, Wakefield Kirkgate and Leeds.
That announcement isn't for this one. One 95018 off to Leeds, this one. That one there was a Class 66 loco. It's getting cold now.